Hello there, today I'm going to talk about another extension from Google is like take web page screenshots entirely file shot. So you can see I have already added it in my extension. So after installing this, you will gonna see the icon here, file shot capture page. So after this is this page, like become more productive using the advanced fire shot features. Like there has the options, and there has a saying like how I can capture pictures or any text or any pages. So if I click here, I can see some options here, like capture the entire page. Well, you can see I've already captured the full page. You may save as image, save to PDF, and also you may restore it Gmail, copy clipboard, print, and try it. Like you may do more of it. Okay, well, now I'm not going to do it. Okay, anyways, let's close the page. And on the other hand, the second option is capture the enter page. You all have already been seen. Capture the visible part. Well, capture the visible part. They have already captured it, the visible thing. And on the other hand, the another option captured selection. You can see already the plus icon is here. If I click the mouse pointer and put it down, drag it down, then you can see I have already captured these things, and I can save it with my own way. And on the other hand, it comes the options. Let's see the options, like how I would like to save my images, like PNG or I'm a JPG. Customize the saving process. Do not show save as, show downloaded file, close tabs, default the fire shot. Also, if you, I'm just showing the page, any kinds of, like if you want to save any kinds of page you like, then you may write the here, and you may put name as like as you would like to. And the hotkeys are click to set up. You may fire share API enable, and on the other hand, capture and download, print and save better, edit, upload, send to email or OneNote, or export to another program. Try another advanced apply. Like you may save and changes your option as like as you want to do. On the other hand, try advanced feature. So this is how you can save your pages easily with any, by making a PDF, or you would like to in any format like JPG, PNG, etc. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching the video.